No mountaineering skills, no oxygen tank, just 2 legs and 12 days. And it still breaks half the people who try it. This isn't a climb, it's a walk. But it's a walk that has humbled Olympians, soldiers, and grandmothers alike. Every year, over 40,000 people attempt this trek. Some quit on day 2, some cry at the top from pure joy, and some find out things about themselves they never expected. I wanted to know what this trail actually does to a person. Not the highlight reel, the real 12 days. I have watched thousands of strangers walk past my door chasing the mountain. Some walk back down broken, some never walk back down at all. This trail isn't just scenery. People have collapsed from altitude sickness just meters from the place they dreamed about their whole lives. But it's not all hardship. You'll eat the best apple pie of your life at 3,440 meters. Yes, apple pie, in the middle of the Himalayas. You'll sleep under more stars than you've ever seen. Trade playlists with strangers who become lifelong friends. And somehow, a hot shower at a tea house will feel like winning the lottery. But there's one day on this trek that changes everyone. The day you reach base camp itself and realize the real mountain was never Everest. And what happened to me on day 9? I still think about it every single day. This is the full story: the blisters, the breakdowns, the strangers who became family, and the moment I almost turned back. Watch the full trek documentary now. Link is right here. You don't need to be a mountaineer to reach base camp. You just need to be willing to break a little, to find out what you're actually made of. Thank you for watching video. For more videos, subscribe, like and comment and tell me about your experiences.